Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, AI Earn Buddy, your ultimate guide to earning money. 51 ways of earning money online using AI tools. Part 2, Print-on-Demand Business. Introduction. We are on a mission to unlock the secrets of making money online using the power of AI. In today's episode, we're exploring print-on-demand business, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you stay in the loop on all our AI money-making tips. Print-on-demand business with AI. Now, imagine turning your creative ideas into cold, hard cash without any design skills. That's where AI comes in. Print-on-demand lets you create custom-designed merchandise, like trendy t-shirts, stylish mugs, and more. And AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, AI-design.co, Printify.ai, and Merchart.ai can make it incredibly easy. Step 1. Sign up and choose your product. Start by signing up on a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or AOP+. Select the product you want to customize, whether it's a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, or something else. Step 2. Design creation and customization. Now, here's where the AI magic happens. Use AI-powered design tools like Canva, Midjourney, AI-design.co, Printify.ai, or Merchart.ai to create and customize your unique designs. Adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and more to make your products stand out. Step 3. Add to your store and set prices. Once your designs are ready, add them to your online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or your chosen print-on-demand marketplace. Determine the prices for your products. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. Now, it's time to market your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, and online advertising to reach your target audience. Step 5. Fulfillment and shipping. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand service will handle the printing, packing, and shipping for you. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback. Use this information to optimize your designs and marketing strategies for even better results. Step 6. Expand your product line. As you gain more experience in sales, consider expanding your product line to offer a wider variety of merchandise. Where to sell your print-on-demand products? But here's the real kicker: where do you sell these fantastic creations? The options are endless. You've got e-commerce giants like Shopify and WooCommerce, bustling marketplaces such as Etsy and eBay, and the untapped potential of social media. And remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building your brand and mastering the art of marketing. Your print-on-demand journey is just beginning. There's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Conclusion. Print-on-demand is more than just a side hustle. It's a creative goldmine waiting to be explored, and AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, AI-design.co, Printify.ai, and Merchart.ai are your secret weapon for success. But this is just the beginning. Stay inspired and keep those creative ideas coming, because in Part 3, we're going to dive into yet another thrilling AI-driven opportunity that can turn your passion into profit. Closing. The future of online earnings is just a click away. Thanks for watching, AI Moneymakers. If you found this video exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is AI Earn Buddy, signing off.